Hey guys, check this guy out. This is the Microbehunter Microscopy, and this is the most honest scientist in the world.
About the coronavirus and specifically why it's a little bit difficult to see it under the microscope or why it would be difficult to see it. There are a couple of the viewers who requested a video. I understand that not everyone was entirely serious about that, of course, but I think it's in any case an interesting thing to explore concerning the size of the virus and whether the microscope, a light microscope, is able to resolve it. Well, the textbook answer is, of course, is that you're not able to see viruses using a light microscope because the viruses are way too small and they are below the resolution limit of what light is able to resolve, and therefore it's not possible to see them. However, I think that this is a little bit of a simplified answer because theoretically, if the contrast were high enough, you should be able to see even particles that are smaller than the resolution limit. And I want to explain this to you a little bit, and in order to do that, I've actually prepared a little, I don't know if this is well visible. I prepared even a little, how shall I say, a little board here to explain this. And I would like to talk a little bit about, and I think I'm going to move the other microscope a little bit out of the way here, about the resolution limit, the numerical aperture, and yeah, I'm going to try to keep the math to a minimum. Basically, the thing that you have to understand is that a microscope is a so-called a diffraction limited device, and this means that if you go up with the magnification too much, then what you're going to see is you're going to see that the image becomes more and more blurry. And what I've got here is the following. I've got here two objects, and these are the central dots here, okay? And when you look at them under the microscope, what you're not going to see is you're not going to see the individual dots, but you're going to see a fuzzy, blurry area. So this dot itself will actually be represented by an area, fuzzy area here, and this one here as well. And you can see that these two fuzzy areas here, well, they're called area discs, okay? These fuzzy areas here are basically separated. They're far apart, and therefore I'm still able to see them as two separate objects, okay? So this means that the image here, or at least these two dots here, they are resolved, okay? So the important thing is that these dots here, the objects here, maybe the virus, is below the resolution limit, okay? But what I'm able to see, I'm still able to see because I see a fuzzy area. Okay, and here down here, a second example here, the distance here is the same, and here now the resolution is much lower, and the fuzzy area, the so-called the area disk, is much larger, and you see that they're overlapping here, and therefore I'm not able to see it as two separate entities, but as one fuzzy spot, so to say, and the image is not resolved anymore. And the point that I'm trying to make here is that the resolution is defined as the minimum distance that you basically can have, and the objects are still visible as two separate objects. Okay, and the point that I'm trying to make here is that of course you're able to see objects that are smaller than the resolution limit. Under the condition that the contrast is sufficiently high, okay? But what you're not able to see in details, you're just going to see this fuzzy area disk. For those of you who are maybe a little bit into astronomy, there is a similar issue. Is that if you use telescopes that magnify a lot, and then you look at a star, and then you might actually see the star as a disk, and then you might say, wow, cool, my telescope magnifies so much that I'm even able to see the star as a disk. I'm able to see the surface of the star. Well, sorry to disappoint you, actually you're just seeing an area disk. It is diffraction pattern for that, okay? And down here I've got a formula even, so how can you actually calculate the resolution now and forget about the formula itself? I think the more important things are the two variables that actually go into the formula. One of them is the numerical aperture of the objective, and this numerical aperture is actually printed on the objective. So actually I have two examples here. So this one over here has a 0.65 printed on it. I think I'm just going to magnify a little bit more now, okay? 0.65, that's the numerical aperture, and my oil immersion objective that I have here has a numerical aperture of 1.3, okay? So it's even above 1, yeah, the 1.3. And when you put the number in here into the formula and lambda, that's the wavelength. Of course, white light has a whole range of wavelengths. So I'm just using green light now, 540 nanometers. Then I'll get the result. The resolution limit is 197 nanometers. so around 200 nanometers. A virus, however, or let's say a coronavirus, has a diameter of 100 nanometers. So the resolution here is actually of the maximum resolution of this objective here is actually it's twice as bad as what you need for to resolve the coronavirus. Okay, but you still probably would be able to see the virus provided that the contrast is good enough as a fuzzy spot. Okay, so what I've got here now on the other side here is this is a public domain picture I got from Wikipedia of the virus, the coronavirus. Maybe it's not the one that's currently causing problems, but there are several strains of coronaviruses around anyway. But what you see here is that not only are they quite well resolved, but you can also see some of the surface proteins, okay, here. And the reason why it's able to be seen here is because this is an electron micrograph. So electrons have a much higher, much shorter wavelength, and therefore you're able to see the details much more. If I were to basically put this virus under my light microscope, I'd see a fuzzy area which is huge, okay? Provided, again, I know I'm repeating myself, but the contrast is high enough, okay? So this is kind of the thing. So are you able to see a virus under the light microscope? The answer is, well, yeah, probably you're going to see that something is there, but you're probably not going to see any, you're of course not going to be able to see any details. And just to illustrate this a little bit is the whole thing that you are able to see structures below the resolution limit. If you, for example, use dark field microscopy, you have a dark field patch stop that you insert into your condenser filter holder. And what this does is it allows you to see specimens bright on a dark background. So the contrast is really high. And what's going to happen is, if you put this in, is that you're going to see a lot of things light up in your field of view. All of the small dust particles that you would normally not see all of a sudden start to appear, and even those that are below the resolution limit. Okay, so but you're just able to see a fuzzy dot somewhere, and it's a microscopic dust dot spot, which might be even way too small to be properly seen otherwise. And in bright field, when you use bright field, then the contrast is simply too low, and you're still not able to, and you're not able to see those structures in the first place. And so you can, dark field, that's one of those examples where you can also see structures that are smaller than the resolution limit. And as you probably know, well, not probably know, you see that I have, for example, glasses. I have to wear glasses. If I look at a distant object at night, I don't know, a lamp somewhere in distance, and if I take my glasses off, I'm still able to see the lamp, okay? But it's going to be a fuzzy spot, yeah? I'm not able to resolve this. And the similar thing is of course the case with the microscope. Is there any way that you can make now a virus visible using a light microscope? Well, you could theoretically use fluorescent antibodies to label the virus, but even then you're just able to see a fuzzy spot there. That would be one possibility. And another thing is if I were to put a virus on the slide, I'd have to know exactly where the virus is in order to actually be able to see it, because I would not be able to distinguish it from any other dirt and dust, because it's just going to cause, just like the other things, just a regular diffraction pattern, and I'm not able to see any structural details. So I think that should be enough for today. Wish you all the best. Happy micropunting as always. Leave your comments behind, please.